A couple of weeks ago I spoke about the gorgeous dive resort of 𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐵 in Indonesia, and I touched on their liveaboard, but I want to spend a bit more time to expand on the Pelagian, because the Pelagian is to a normal liveaboard what the 𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐵 resort is to a normal dive resort. It's just that much fancier. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, the 𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐵 dive resort has their very own liveaboard. It's not unusual for some resorts to have like their own day boats that they can zip you to dive sites, and you can find fleets of liveaboards out there with multiple vessels, but it's quite unusual to have a dive resort that has their own liveaboard, which can vastly expand your range because you don't need to get back home for food to eat and a bed to sleep in. So a liveaboard is a real ace to just get you diving in more remote locations. The Pelagian was built for luxury. When designing the vessel, the number of guests was limited to allow each guest more space. So each cabin feels spacious compared to a traditional liveaboard cabin. Pelagian offers home-from-home comforts with discreet personalised service and all the supporting facilities you need to explore and enjoy the seldom visited dive sites on Pelagian's itinerary in a relaxed and untroubled state of mind. You'll find the salon to be a very comfortable and well-equipped social hub. Dinner is served here, hot and cold drinks along with the chef's freshly prepared cookies and snacks, which are available all day and night as well if you fancy a midnight snack. The large flat screen TV can be used to view movies, kids shows and wildlife documentaries if you ever get bored of the local scenery. The well-equipped and spacious camera room allows for untroubled preparation and care of dive cameras and their housings. If you enjoy taking pictures underwater, or you want to spend time working on your photography skills, then the Pelagian is a floating photo studio with absolutely everything that you need. So no more like preparing your gear on the dinner table or just on your bed sheets trying to get things together. They have a dedicated room specifically for it. All indoor areas are air conditioned, so it's comfortable, shaded seating areas on upper decks, and then plenty of sun on the sun deck as well. Depending on your comfort levels and how much sun that you like between your dives on your surface interval, it's got space for you. The Pelagian offers 4 options for accommodation. There's the Master Suite, a Super Luxe cabin, a Deluxe cabin and a Standard cabin. Spacious floor plans, luxurious bathrooms and modern decor, creating a relaxing environment when you're out of the water. And with a maximum of 10 guests, Pelagian offers more space per guest than any dive yacht of its kind. All interior spaces are air conditioned, as I mentioned, with individual controls. So if you find air conditioning too chilly, then yeah, you can turn it down. Guests enjoy an unlimited hot and cold water supply and fresh towels daily. The beautiful Master Suite, which spans the full width of the vessel and basically occupies the entire bow section of the main deck, offers all the comforts of home and is the most spacious cabin available compared to most dedicated dive motor yachts. A king-size bed offers relaxing space and restful sleep. The roomy bathroom is contemporary in decor and equipment as well, featuring top-of-the-line rainforest showers and vanity fittings. The Super Luxe cabins offer fresh, bright, spa-like environments for guests, from the spacious floor plan to the wall art, the smallest decor details. These cabins evoke a feeling of tranquility and restfulness. Most of these cabins feature a walk-around queen-size bed. There's no need to climb over your partner in the middle of the night to reach the bathroom or in search of a drink because it's situated in the center of the cabin. Hanging bedside tables, floor-to-ceiling wardrobes and large drawers under the bed offer guests ample space to store personal items. Adjustable high-intensity reading lights hang from the headboards for convenient nighttime reading. Spaciousness extends into the beautiful bathrooms, featuring a glass shower area, a big vanity mirror with spa-like features and great lighting. These cabins are of course air conditioned with private controls. The deluxe cabins create the perfect accommodation for a couple or two dive buddies looking for their own space. This cabin features 2 beds, one wide enough for 2 people and the other is just a single, accommodates for a single person. Plenty of large cupboards and a small love seat offers a place to sit, to read and maintain your dive log, or just to work on your laptop or look at photos, whatever it is. This cabin also has a spacious bathroom with a shower and a toilet, again air conditioned with private controls. For divers who tend to focus more on the boat's common areas and their diving, the standard cabin features 2 single beds arranged opposite from one another. Built-in storage is provided for stowing personal items. This cabin also has a newly remodeled bathroom with a shower and a toilet and is air conditioned. So there's plenty of variety. You can go super fancy, or if you're a bit more Spartan, then you have a more standard room. It is really up to you. The day's culinary adventure begins with breakfast, prepared to your order and usually served on the aft deck. When you return to the Pelagian between dives, a welcoming selection of hot drinks and the chef's freshly prepared snacks will be awaiting you. Pelagian's chef creates a daily a la carte menu for lunch and dinners, a tasty selection comprising of Indonesian specialities with some Western favourites. A selection of fine wines and spirits are available, as well as soft drinks and juices. Of course, if you have any dietary requirements, be they health related or simply preference, then let them know and they'll do their utmost to accommodate you. Beyond that, if you do have a special request, the chef will be more than pleased to prepare a special dish that would make your trip a little bit more memorable. The Pelagian's 2 custom-made 18-foot rigid hull inflatable dive tenders are equipped with double 50 HP 4-stroke outboard engines, tank racks and secure stainless steel ladders, so you don't need to carry the weight of your cylinders on your back until you actually get to the dive site. They kind of sit between you. Once you get to the dive site, then you can start getting fully kitted up. These tenders are very comfortable and very easy to enter and exit because, yeah, you're not carrying the weight of your cylinders. Diving is always conducted from the tenders as they allow the boat to get just much closer than the actual main ship. They're much more maneuverable. The Pelagian basically does most of the legwork to get you close to each dive site, and then the smaller ribs can get you right into the more hard to reach spots and collect you from almost anywhere to really minimize the surface swims. Tanks are quickly filled up using whips from the Pelagian, so there's no need to take gear off the tenders until the end of the cruise, instead of most liveaboards where your cylinder and your equipment lives on the liveaboard and then you have to walk it to and from the ribs. It just lives on the tenders. And another underrated asset is that because the Pelagian is so camera friendly, their crew is specifically trained how to handle cameras properly to help you get in and out of the water without damaging or dropping your cameras, which obviously if you're spending a lot of money on a dive camera, you want to make sure that someone's looking after it. In short, the Pelagian is a glorious premium liveaboard, easily the fanciest I've ever seen. And instead of trying to cram in as many divers as possible to maximize profit, 𝐬𝐻𝐫 made the Pelagian spacious and comfortable so that you want to spend time aboard the ship between exploring the glorious Indonesian waters. You're not bumping shoulder to shoulder with other divers. They've allowed more space. For more information and how to book your place on the Pelagian, then click this link up here in the corner of the screen, or there's going to be a link down in the description where you can learn all about the 𝐬𝐻𝐫 resort and dream about your next diving escape. And of course, remember to subscribe to the channel here on YouTube for more videos. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.